Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to use and how to enable the Talkback mode on this device. So actually, as you can probably see, I've got the Talkback mode on, so this is the best situation to show you how to navigate, how to swipe, and actually how to use this mode. So first of all, let me show you how to enter something, for example the settings. Just tap on it, you'll see a green frame and of course hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap. And as you can see, we are in the settings. So now let me show you how to swipe. All you have to do is use 2 fingers, just like that. It's quite easy in this device. We've got the second option, and you can swipe using 2 fingers just like that or this way, but in my opinion the first option is much more intuitive and comfortable. So now I can show you how to turn off the Talkback if you, for example, accidentally turned it on. So we have to scroll down to the very bottom, tap on accessibility, double tap, tap on the vision, double tap, tap on this switcher, double tap, tap on turn off and double tap. And actually, as you can hear, the Talkback is off, so this is how to manage the Talkback. Now I can show you how to customize this mode. Just tap on the Talkback, and here you've got the settings. So here you can decide if you'd like to, for example, speak the passwords. If you'd like to hear the sound feedback, you can set the volume of it. What's more, you can set the gestures. So after tapping here, you can decide what you'd like to do after swiping up, down, left, right, up, then down. Actually, a lot of options to choose from. Just tap here, and here you've got all the options from which you can choose. So let me get back, and if you'd like to turn on the Talkback, just tap on this switcher right here. Your device will tell you that the Talkback needs to observe your actions, retrieve window content, turn on Explore by touch, observe the text that you type, control display magnification and fingerprint gestures. So if you'd like to turn on the Talkback, just tap on turn on, but let me get back. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the Talkback in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.